Hello everyone, DZ software right here. So let's say that you have users and you want to disable for your one users details for day one subscription, specifically at your needs. Let's say that you have service or you're selling specific products and you want to disable for the user details about his one subscription, like the start date, the end date, and the message specific for each user. And each user is registered inside your one WordPress website. You can simply do that with our plugin. You can go to plugins and you can go to add a new plugin and you can go to upload plugin and you can get the plugin. So after you get the plugin, you can go to installing the plugin right here and you can activate it. After you successfully activated the plugin, as you see right here, you go to the sidebar and you can see he's disabling right here. You click on it and it's going to be visible for you right here. Since I already made a demonstration, so this is the past demonstration, I already made it. So here simply you can select in the user from your one list. As I am using just a demo website demonstration, I have just the admin user, which is the demo user right here. But in your case, since you have multiple users, they are already registered inside your one website. You can see that all your users, they are disabling right here. So you can select in the user that you want to disable for him and for you. The details of the subscription is going to be visible for you in the list right here, and you can choose the user and you can select it. Okay, so let's, in my case, I have just one, so I select myself, and you can see here is going to disable for you the user ID and the username and the email, and also the start date, the end date, and the message, and the action, which is the update data button. So here you can simply give it, you can type the date that you want to give it as a start date for the user. You can type it right here manually, and you can type the end date manually right here, and you can type the message right here. After you done, you simply hit on save data, and it's going to be visible right here for you. In order to make this table visible for all your users, you can simply do that for specific as your need. So you go to visit site. Let's go to visit site. It's working also with WooCommerce, so don't worry about it. I'm using WooCommerce for this website for the demonstration also. So if you're using WooCommerce or not, it's working with both methods. So here, let's say that you have a new WooCommerce. You go to My Account, and as you see, this is WooCommerce website, WooCommerce account right here. And in this section right here, we want to disable the table that for this user. So how we can do that? If you're using Elementor, you can use Elementor for editing the page. If you don't want to use Elementor, using any other editor, it's up to you. So in my case, I'm using Elementor to make it more quickly. So I hit on edit with Elementor. And when we access to the page, I can simply edit like a short code right here. We go and search for short code and we drag and drop right here. And all we have to do is edit in the short code. So we edit in the short code right here. And as you see, the table is going to be visible for the user. So we go right here, we can edit it. We can edit the design to be responsive like this. And this table is going to be visible for the user, for the specific user. So if you did not edit details for specific user yet, is not going to see these other users details. So each user, he see his one details only. Okay, so if this user he haven't details yet, like he's just registered inside your website, but he didn't register in any your subscription membership for your service or your product yet, but he have just an account inside your one website, it simply is going to visible for him like the table, but with no details. Okay, so this is very simple. Once you giving him details from your back end right here is going to be visible for the user right here. So he will see the user ID, the username, the start date, the end date, and the message that you send it for him. Each time that you give it the user a new details, is going to be disabling right here in the same table, okay, as a list. So the past or the old details, they will stay in visible for the user. So the user, he will have in like a list each time he's subscribing with you. So he can see his list, like the old list and the new list. So every time with the update is going to be disabled for him in this table right here. You simply hit on update. And if we go right here for demonstration, we go to my account again, we can see we have in the table right here. Okay, this is our plugin. If you need to use it to management your subscription for yourself and for your users, like start dates, end dates, and the message for the user, is going to be helping you. So if you like our plugin, you're going to find the link for this plugin so you can download it in the description below for this video. From DZ Software Digital Solutions, see you next time. Thank you.